Okay, we're going to solve Rubik's Cube, and the first thing to do is to mix it up really good. I'm going to mix it up into the hardest configuration I can think of, where there's only one white piece in the center, and we solve for white first. First thing to do is to make a cross in the white, and then fill in the white pieces, and then from there it goes pretty well. So ready, set, go. Okay, we got that cross going now. And now we got to solve for the other pieces. And sometimes they're not in the right position, so it takes several manipulations to get it there, like in this case, which is a shame. Okay. Now we got yellow and red. Okay. Orange and green will take a few manipulations. Okay. And hopefully we have just one more that'll be, nope, it's going to take a few manipulations. Sometimes you don't get lucky, and it takes several manipulations to get in the right location. So we've now solved the bottom layer, and now we're going to move to solving the middle layer. All has to be the same color. Okay, we're getting close. Okay, so we've solved that. Oh, the middle, bottom layer. So we solved it, and the middle layer is all the same, and so is the bottom layer. We also got lucky and automatically solved the top blue cross. It's supposed to be yellow. My Rubik's Cube is messed up, but that saved me a step. So that's very good. Now I just got to position the blue in the right location when there's no corner, and I have it there. And then I go, okay, there it again. Takes a couple of moves sometimes to get there. Okay, so now I've solved the top piece, bottom piece, and the middle layers. So now I've got to solve the corner pieces, and to do that, it's a complex set of moves. but I have the technology. Okay, so we now have all of the corner pieces in the right position, and twice I'm going to have to move this to make the center pieces match, and that's the final step. And there's several steps to do that. Okay, so now I've got it one more time. I have to figure out which way it rotates if counterclockwise would work. So I have one final step, keeping everything in sync. And Rubik's Cube is solved.